Hi, my name is Alex from Easy Floor Store. Today I will be talking about the key differences between natural wooden floors versus man-made laminates and LVTs. Let's start with man-made. In short, they're far more forgiving when it comes to installation, everyday use, specifically those practical aspects like cleaning them, looking after them, their noise reduction capability, specifically for LVT floors, and also performance with underfloor heating. They're also far more DIY friendly if you're not planning to hire a professional, and also more cost efficient to purchase and install. Natural wooden floors, obviously key advantage here is it's simply natural. If you like beautiful things, more natural look and feel, that in this case no point to consider anything man-made. If practicality aspect is a secondary to the aesthetics, that's your choice would be obvious. With the downside of the wooden natural floors, it would be therefore costs of the product itself and also installation costs. It's less DIY friendly, however some people have enough courage to do it themselves. You just have to bear in mind that it's not only about correct installation practices but also the preparation. As you can appreciate, wood doesn't like moisture, and therefore if there is any residual moisture in the substrate, it would have to be neutralized. On the other hand, with LVTs or laminates, again, preparation is important, but it would be more forgiving for those types of floors. Other disadvantages, it's hard to find. Well, apart from that, they're not as naturally looking as wood. However, manufacturing technologies nowadays give tremendous possibility to deliver still aesthetically appealing products. So that's me for today. Hope it helps you to make your educated choice when you're going to be choosing your next floor, and I'll see you in one of the next videos. Thank you.